Hello. Hello there. What a beautiful song you have. Just taking this video, folks, of this magpie that came down. And he's been kind of visiting with me. They have the most interesting sounds that they make. Not just this loud sound, but also other sounds that I've never heard before from a magpie. God is so beautiful, folks. It's February 10th, 2016. God is great. The skies today, they're kind of blue in spots, but there's a big white out here. That's the sun. Sun's so bright, hazy over the sun. God bless, folks. Eyes to the skies. Come to God and Jesus. Jesus is the door.